Hi, my name is Jack Saito, and I used to work at NASA. And a fun fact about me is that I love badminton. But here's the problem. I suck at badminton.
Thanks, past Jack, who was stuck on a mountain for some reason. Well, actually, I can play badminton. I can smash, I can clear, I can hit the ball really well. But the one thing I can't do is defeat my rival, Joshua Chow. If I want to become the greatest badminton player, I'm going to have to use some alternative means. AKA, I'm just going to cheat. The goal for this project is to create a badminton racket that absolutely demolishes Joshua Chow, forcing him to want to learn how to play badminton from me, the GOAT. And to do that, I need to figure out how fast he actually smashes.
Here we have a slow-mo video of Joshua Chow hitting a smash. We can track the speed of Joshua's smash by seeing how fast the shuttle moves after it's been hit. We can use the shuttle in the frozen frame as a distance marker. This allows us to track how far Joshua's shuttle has traveled within so many frames. And from that, we see that it travels 13.5 shuttles within so many frames, allowing us to calculate the speed, which is really, really fast. So how are we going to design it? Well, actually, we're going to be going on a little adventure. We're going to be learning science, technology, engineering, Minecraft, physics, Minecraft. It's just a motor on a racket. That's it.
Here's a quick breakdown of the system because I totally didn't forget to record a time lapse of the CAD design. The motor attaches to the side of the racket with a chain and sprocket mechanism to transfer the spinny from the motor shaft to the output shaft. The output shaft connects to a 90-degree bracket where the racket head will sit, making it also go spinny. Lastly, it's got a slick aluminum chassis to make sure it doesn't blow up in my hand.
To build the badminton racket, there's 4 main parts we need. We need an actual racket, a motor, some metal parts, and computer parts. Fortunately, we already have a racket, and I just stole this from some guy's electric skateboard, so all we need now is some metal parts and computer parts. So let's get those.
Wait, how are we supposed to make all these complex parts for the badminton racket? If only I had access to an elite Chinese manufacturer. Thanks to PCBway for sponsoring this video. After designing the sheet metal parts in badminton racket assembly, all I had to do was go to PCBway.com and simply drag in the parts I wanted fabricated, and they're able to ship my parts within a few weeks, which is surprisingly fast, given I live on an island in the middle of nowhere. Oh, these are nice. Thank you to PCBway for making this project possible. Well, I just got these from the dumpster, so hopefully we can use these to program the racket. Got ourselves some limit switches, which I extended wires for. We got our microcontroller, and we got our brushless motor controller. I really hope that there isn't a trip coming up that would really throw a wrench in my plans for this week. Wait, I was just joking. Wait, we're playing around.
So yeah, I'm in Japan for the next 2 weeks, so let's go horse betting. Transition.
Everyone smile. Let's go, Jack.
Huh?
Show the gang photo right now.
Oh yeah, show the gang photo right now.
Okay, now show the gooch photo.
No, don't show that one. Don't show that one.
Come by. Get in here, Tyler. Everyone! Stay with me!
We're in Uma land.
Oh, this is actually really big.
That's a huge event.
Basically a lot of people.
There's $2 million
Wait,
on the
surprise.
line today.
What? Jack, we gotta bet. Remember, kids, gamblers always quit before they make it big.
True.
So put it all on black.
So if we lose, the trip's over. We're going back home. We're taking a flight back, actually. If we win, we stay. If no one wins, we go home. We just go home.
Tall Sally, then Stunning Lady. Going forward is Dreamcore. coming far. Judo Cupiero. St. Imamura wins the Oaks.
I feel like I've seen you before.
I feel the same. What is your name?
二人の間通り過ぎた風はどこか
Unfortunately, we're a few weeks behind schedule, but no worries. All we gotta do is catch up, so let's get this build going. Whoa! It's a bit heavy, but pretty cool still. Pretty good. I like it. I like it. Alrighty, let's lock in.
So guess what part I forgot to order? Ding, ding, ding. I forgot to order the most important part of the badminton racket. Now we gotta make it out of something else. But what could we make it out of? The answer is zip ties.
It's been a few days, but we finally got it assembled. This thing is a beast. I'm actually scared to get my head chopped off by this, but let's test it. Well, since we don't have an actual shuttle because I forgot mine, we're gonna be using this whiteboard eraser as our shuttle. I don't know how it's gonna go. We'll see. It's so slow. I've realized there's a little thing called inertia that we've been ignoring. You see,
So what is inertia? Good thing you asked. So inertia is this magical thing where when I add more mass to an object that's moving, I need more energy to make it move. For example, when we have a good old racket system here, we realize that there's a lot of chain and sprocket, and all that chain and sprocket means more inertia. That's correct. And when we have more inertia, it means more force on the motor. So much force that the motor overheats and dies. So to prevent that, see it right here? Reduce the inertia. And to do that, we're gonna have to get rid of everything that's unnecessary. So all the chain and sprocket I worked really hard on designing, just get rid of it. We don't need it. We don't need it. All that work, nah, we don't need it. And we just do a direct drive. So less inertia means faster spinning, means I beat Joshua Chow. Yeah, so I'm dumb. And I forgot to, forgot about what an imbalance load is. An imbalance load, you don't care about science anymore. Basically, counter load needs to be added so that the racket doesn't spin. I went through multiple iterations and I realized that I just need a second racket to add the counterweight of the first racket. And What did you know? Now it looks like a super death weapon. I have it. My Excalibur! This thing is heavy. Only thing extending is the power supply wire, and we're ready to test. I press these two buttons, boom and boom. I should be able to control the speed and turn it on and off. Let's see. Oh, it works. My Excalibur works. Let's see if it hurts. Ow! Joshua, I challenge you to a duel. Alrighty, let's do this, Josh.
Turn it on. You gotta turn it on first.
Does it work? Wait.
Oh, Jack?
So you're probably wondering, Jack, how did you get your badminton racket to work without a power supply? Well, the answer is batteries. Big batteries. All you have to do is turn around, strap some batteries on your back, and look like you have extreme views of the world, and you're ready to go for badminton. Okay, let's do this.
Oh, shoot.
No! I got it. We're calibrating right now. Oh, it's out! I got a boy! I think I'm burning the motor out.
You are?
Wait, this is my chance for an all-out attack. It's time to beat Joshua. I really like badminton. Give him all you got. That one's going in the edit.
Yeah, so in this video, I used a little thing called deception on you guys. The motor actually burnt out while we were testing it during the competition, so we weren't able to see the full extent of the racket. Also, when I said he smashed really, really fast, I didn't emphasize how fast that truly meant. Let's look at the data here. Oh, damn. After the defeat, it made me wonder, what if it was never about the racket? What if it was not about even winning? What if it was about just going out with friends, to the gym, and having a good time? Nah, I still want to beat Joshua. Thank you to making it to the end of the video. I know it was a hard watch. Special thanks to Joshua because he actually let me make the video about him, and he let me put his LinkedIn in the video. So go connect with him. If he gets 500 plus, then I'll consider this video a success. Stay tuned for V2 against Joshua Chow. Video ideas. If you have any video ideas, any build ideas, put them in the comments below. Actually, send them to Joshua as well. Send one here on YouTube and send the other one to Joshua, so Joshua gets all the messages. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching the video again, and I'm gonna go back to playing Slay the Spire 2, so stop bothering me and leave. Here, you can have this. I don't want it.
Crazy how time flies when you wonder if the path is in the right.
Oh my god.
You good?
I'm tired. You can see my belly popping out. Good game, good game.
I'll play with that next time.
Oh, I'm exhausted. Yes, find that on our Patreon.